Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Brussels Motor Show taking a look at the world premiere, the new Toyota Urban Cruiser. So this is the new SUV from Toyota, a battery electric compact SUV, and it's got this nice stand here, and we will explore the details. So 4 meters, 28.5 centimeters is the length of the car. I will go around and show you the exterior details, and I will also try to zoom in and show you a bit of interior as well. 2.7 meters is the length of the wheelbase. We have the large wheels. These are the 19-inch wheels with the dual tone. You see the gray and gloss black finish, pronounced wheel arches and the side skirts, and also a cool design for the door handle at the rear. If we move on here to the rear of the car, you can see the tail lights that are connected with this part here, and then they also have the distinctive look, distinctive lighting signature. This is the all-wheel drive version. I will talk about the specs in a moment, but now let's just explore the design of the car itself. So pronounced C-pillar and very aerodynamic roof spoiler. You can also see this section here, and a robust lower section of the bumper. Now tell me in the comments, how do you like this car? How do you like the design? On the front we have the robust styling for this section. I would say this is very cool because you have this sharp angle and the Toyota badge, of course, in the middle. The lights are connected with this gloss black part, and also distinctive look. The lighting signature is really nice, and you see the real air inlets and gloss black lower section of the bumper. And of course this is a prototype, so minor design or specification changes may occur in the final production model. Now I want to try to show you a bit of interior, where we have the 10.25-inch digital cockpit and the 10.1-inch screen nicely integrated here. So okay, I can show you like this. You see the steering wheel, the dashboard itself, and the screens that are nicely integrated into this one section. So yeah, now the specifications. So 2 battery packs are available, 49 kilowatt-hour battery or 61 kilowatt-hour battery, and there are 3 power outputs, and you can go for the front-wheel drive versions or the all-wheel drive. So 2 front-wheel drive versions and 1 all-wheel drive. Here we have the all-wheel drive version, 184 horsepower and the bigger 61 kilowatt-hour battery. Alright guys, that was the first look, the first walk around with the new Toyota Urban Cruiser. Tell me in the comments how do you like it, and do subscribe for more.